talk about how to use the system. So say I'm going to be standing on stage and I have to project. Maybe I don't have a microphone. Maybe I have to yell to someone at the back of the stage. Maybe I'm a rock star singer and I'm standing on that stage and I want to have a conversation with the audience where I'm like, how are you guys doing? A lot of times that's where vocal damage comes in, is not necessarily in the singing, but in the speech. So how do we make it so that we can clearly articulate with the energy, effort, and dynamics without hurting the voice? So this is a great way for school teachers to learn how to project in class, for ministers, preachers. I call it, the rock singer who's out there having to project, and the voice actor who has to stand on stage and actually project. Well, this is easy. So we have the system, use it in here. I'm gonna use the line, hey, stop that car. That's gonna be my line on stage. And I'm gonna do it where it's like, hey, stop that car. There's the pitch that I'm gonna do it on. So if I take the straw first, I'm gonna get the source in the right balance. So I wanna make sure everything's lined up and correct. I'm gonna go through that line in the straw. 3 is always my lucky number. I do it 3 times. So now I'm gonna put it in the cup. Here we go. Hey, stop that car! Hey, stop that car! Hey, stop that car! Hey, stop that car! You can hear how there's an incredible difference in the way the sound comes out. So this is a way on how to help train and project in things that we're doing. If you have to do a yell, or say you have to do a loud scream, it's gonna be the same thing. So if I have to scream, again, I'm gonna go into this. It's gonna be so fun. I'm right in that pocket. So this helps us, again, train for those vocal efforts, the dynamics on how we need it to be articulated and get out there in a healthy balance. Now, how do you do it on song? Well, say I'm going to do the Star Spangled Banner. So if I'm going to go into that, and the rockets wrangler, the bombs bursting in air. We'll just do that high part right there. I'm going to take the straw again, go through that melody. Oh, did you hear my voice crack? That means it's setting up the source in alignment. Your voice may crack. And I'm going to take the cup. On the rockets wrangler, the bombs bursting in air. On the rockets wrangler, the bombs bursting in air. On the rockets wrangler, the bombs bursting in air. And the rockets wrangler, the bombs bursting in air. I can project and sing all because I got the source in the right way.